Are you looking for upgraded injectors? Then we've got good news, because Proflow now stock a whole range of Bosch goodies. As you probably already know, upgrading your injectors is super important if you intend to run more power. Whether it's an aspirated combo, turbo, nitrous, something in between, you need more juice. So Proflow now offer a huge range of injectors from Bosch. Got everything from 495 all the way up to 2000cc in the EV14 range. So let's take a look. As you can see, there are a bunch of styles to pick from depending on what you need for your rail and engine, and the injectors are capable with any kinds of fuel, whether it be pump fuel from the servo, ethanol, servo or pump, and even methanol. So whether you're on the street or the track, these injectors will suit your needs just fine. The other benefit of running Bosch injectors is you get the OEM quality in spray, flow and pattern. That's really important for fueling. The last thing you want is inconsistent fueling, so these injectors will be up to the task. As you probably imagine, they don't just sell injectors either. They've got the full catalogue to suit your upgrade or replacement, whether it be wiring looms, O-rings, adapters, billet fuel rails, and even if you really want to treat yourself, a brand new intake manifold. No better excuse to buy an intake manifold than to suit your injectors. So to check out the full range, head to proflow.com.au.